Hey friends, today we're going to be making slime. I'm so excited because I love slime. Okay, so you're going to need a bowl, a spoon, or any kind of bowl. You're going to need a cup of water, some glue, borax powder, detergent, a spoon, paper towels if you don't want to get messy, and a popsicle stick for stirring. Food coloring if you want a colorful slime. Now let's get started. First, we're going to take a little spoon and we're going to take some of the activator and put it in with the water. Then we're going to stir it until it dissolves. Just keep stirring. But make sure the water is warm so it works and makes the fluffy slime. Not dissolve. While we wait for it to dissolve, we're going to take half of, or how much, you can put how much, any amount of glue you want. We're just going to use half of an Elmer's glue and squeeze it so you can get all of the glue out. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, until it's all empty. Now let's check on our activator. It's almost dissolved. You just gotta keep stirring it. Now this is the time where you put the food coloring. We're gonna put green in because I have a surprise for you at the end of this video with food coloring. So let's drop a few drops of green in there. I want a nice deep green. And then we're going to slowly, but surely, going to pour in a teensy bit of activator. And then we're going to start to stir. It's already starting to look like slime. Then we're going to we're going to keep stirring and stir and stir and stir and stir for a while. Keep stirring, stir, stir, stir. Now we're going to take out whatever we're mixing with and feel if it's sticky or not. If it's sticky and you don't want it to be sticky, add a little bit more activator in. If not, then don't. I think I put in a little bit too much, so I think I'm not going to add any more. Now I'm just going to keep stirring. I'm not going to stop. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. It's already starting to look like slime. Icky, huh? Ugh. Just keep stirring, keep stirring, just keep stirring. Okay, now that there's a bunch on my popsicle stick, because I'm mixing with the popsicle stick, just going to go ahead and I'm going to rip it off. Ripper offer. And now I'm just done with my popsicle stick, and I'm going to go ahead and get in there, see if I have enough slime. If it's not the good feeling that you want, wipe it with a paper towel. Now I'm all out of paper towels here. Now, or pause the video and go wash your hands. I think I would go wash my hands, but I can't really do that now. So I'm just gonna get this little bit of slime off my finger and both of them. Keep mixing. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in a teensy bit more because it's very sticky. Just gotta keep stirring and mixing. It may take you a long time, but you want the entire amount of glue, to turn into slime, or as much as you as much as you possibly can. It's looking like slime. Slime. Yeah. Mixing. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my spoon that I used to mix the borax, and I'm just going to scrape it off my popsicle stick. I might add a little bit more. I don't think so. It's not the best. Now let's see the slime. I'm going to pick her up. Ooh, gross. And then I'm just going to play with it. I'm going to keep playing with it. I think it's too sticky. Let's just put in a little bit more borax. There. Now let's use the popsicle stick and just keep mixing in all the borax. Plonk, 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 plonk. I'm going to clean my hands after this. If I was you, I'd clean the hands up. If you need a little help, don't be afraid to ask an adult, because they will always help you. Now I think our slime is done. Now I'm going to play with it with my hands for a little bit. It's very sticky. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put it back in the bowl and put a little bit more activator in it. Because this is turning out really gross. A little bit more activator. I think I'm just going to pour it on the slime itself. You know what? I think I just put a little too much. So I think I'm not going to worry about it. Ugh. Sticky, icky, fluffy, slimy. Get off my finger. Just gonna wipe out all the activator and all this slime on the edges. Let's get this slime off the stick. Ugh, good. Okay. If you put too much borax on, then it might be a little sticky. I don't know. I didn't really read up on slime. I don't really know much about slime. So write down in the comments some tips about slime so other people can look at it and get more tips about this slime. And so can I get more tips about this slime. So far, it looks awesome. Okay, so I think it's a little too sticky. Let's add a little bit more borax in. You're a slime expert? Write in the comments if I'm putting in too much activator. Wow. That's sticky.
Tommy, put your hand into the borax, because your hand is sticky, right? So do like this.
If your hand is sticky, your hands are sticky, dip your hands in the borax.
Now not slime, sizzle, total.
Now do this with your hands, and when you play with the slime, you're going to make it. Now you're going to pick up the slime, and you're just going to, oh my gosh, this feels so soft. It's not sticky.
A little too small on the stickiness, right? Yeah, over the top, just keep on doing. Okay, so you play with it.
Okay, so you guys are gonna play with it, and you're just gonna cuddle with it, and just until it's your thing. Now let's see how far it can stretch. Stretching, stretching, slowly but surely. That stretched far. Now let me give you my surprise. Let's just put that on the table. I think we can put this away. We're gonna put a little blue onto the slime itself. Well, at least 2 little drops. Then you're just gonna play with the slime. Well, this is gonna turn a nice little minty color. But make sure to wash your hands after this. This is a very icky, sticky project and colorful project. See how dark we can make this slime. Ugh. We might have to play with it for a long time until it turns like a nicer color. Keep playing with it, dip it, pull it, rip it, squeeze it, pull it. Turn it, stretch it. Do everything you can. Roll it on the table if parts of it are falling out. Fix it. Gotta fix this. So just keep playing with your slime. It's turning a nice darker green. Now I'm going to keep squeezing this until it turns the right color. Meanwhile, go check out some of our other videos while I'm squeezing this. Hit the bell, subscribe, like, comment. And now stretch and play with your slime. Now enjoy your slime. Shout out to Emerson for asking if we could make fluffy slime. Thank you for asking, Emmy. I love slime. Goodbye.